Apple is gearing up to take the iPad Pro to its next level. And the biggest change this year is all about performance and smarter design. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports that the upcoming iPad Pro lineup will feature Apple's brand new M5 chip, delivering faster speeds and improved efficiency for power users who rely on the device for heavy workloads. But the headline feature isn't just raw power, it's the addition of dual front-facing cameras. For the first time, Apple is giving users a camera built for portrait and another for landscape, solving the long-standing orientation issue. FaceTime calls, video conferences, or even just snapping photos will feel more natural, no matter how the iPad is held. This marks a thoughtful improvement that directly addresses how people actually use these devices every day. Unlike last year's complete redesign, which introduced thinner bodies and OLED displays, the new iPad Pro will not see dramatic changes in hardware appearance. And that makes sense. The OLED screen still delivers stunning visuals with deep contrast and vibrant colors, and the slim form factor already makes it one of the most portable yet powerful tablets in the world. Instead, Apple is focusing on refining what already works while boosting performance. With the M5 chip at the center, expect smoother multitasking, more responsive workflows, and even better support for professional apps. Add iPadOS 26 to the mix, which is set to launch alongside the new hardware, and the iPad Pro becomes even more capable. The updated software introduces Apple's new liquid glass design language, expanded multitasking features, and deeper integration of productivity tools. Another step in Apple's push to position the iPad as a laptop alternative. The iPad Pro isn't the only model on Apple's roadmap. Earlier this year, the iPad Air received an M3 upgrade, while the entry-level iPad was refreshed with the A16 chip. Both are considered safe options for buyers right now, but bigger updates are coming further down the line. Apple is developing a new iPad mini, codenamed J510 and J511, which will be powered by the A19 chip, the same processor family expected in the upcoming iPhone 17 series. While rumors suggest Apple is working on an OLED version of the mini, that model may not arrive until 2026 or even 2027. In parallel, Apple is preparing the 12th generation iPad, which will feature the A18 chip. This processor includes a 16-core neural engine designed to handle AI workloads and Apple Intelligence features, setting up the entry-level iPad for a much stronger performance profile. That update is expected in early 2026, maintaining the current design but offering a big leap from today's $349 model. For now, all attention is on the iPad Pro. Apple is expected to unveil the M5-powered models in October 2025, with pricing likely consistent with the current lineup, around $999 for the 11-inch version and $1,299 for the 13-inch. For anyone debating an upgrade, the choice is clear. Either wait just a little longer for the most advanced iPad Pro yet, with its dual cameras and M5 performance, or hold out for the broader lineup refresh that's shaping up for 2026.